Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to do my bubble braid. Guys, this braid I am about to make, I actually saw it on TikTok. I saw it on TikTok, so I was inspired by this lady. Like, I said, okay, let me try something, let me know if I can do something. So guys, I will be. So I shall wonder. I said, okay, how am I going to make this hair? First of all, like this hair, like it takes a lot of time. It's not just what is it's easy to make, but it actually takes a lot of time. Like if you have somebody that is helping you. But as for me, I really do not have anybody that is helping me. I said I must make this hair. Like I want to make this hair like, you know me, the queen of braid. I said, okay, let's get there. So I started by searching up my hair. Like I started parting up my hair like this so that I will know how many I will be going to braid. Like I will know how many stick, like how many braid I will be braiding. That's why I decided to section my hair. Please guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not done so, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Please guys, share this video, please. If it's just only this video you have to share, please do share. Support me, support my ministry. I want this video to go viral. Like I want this braid, like this braid, I want a lot of people to see, like to inspire, you understand? Please guys, share this video if you can, please, and God bless you. And don't forget to use the super thanks. So guys, this is me braiding my hair. I'm using 6 pack of Brasilia wool. Yes, I'm using 6 pack of Brasilia wool for this hairstyle. So guys, let's watch this video. Let's look how it's going to come out. So guys, as you can see, I start braiding my hair. Then I started using my Brazilian wool to tie it up. Like I will leave it, like session it, like I will give it space, then I will tie it, I will give it space, I will tie it, I will give it space, I will tie it. So then after, I'll going to cut the excess Brazilian wool out. I'm going to cut the excess Brazilian wool, as you can see, just the way I am doing it. So that's how I started. First of all, I started using by like one strand of braid. I will use, like, I will make sure it sits on the roll. So that's how I started. Now I have done one, two, and this is the second one that I did. As you can see in the video, guys, the style is so easy. It's so easy to make. The place that you have a lot of work is what I am doing now, you see. So guys, I started open it like this because I don't want my hair to be too full like the one you just saw. I don't want it to be too much. So that's why I decided to make it to be medium, not too big. I don't want it to be too big, you understand? So at the tips, I braid it like Bob Marley, like I braid the tips. So guys, if you notice that, you see that the day have already dark. This is about 4:30 in the evening. Like everywhere is dark. That is how it says abroad. Yes, where I am staying, that is how it says. So that's why you do not see the sun shining and all that. So I decided to finish this hair the next day. Like I finished up this hair the next day. I made this hair for 2 days. Not that I just made this hair for 2 days. I went to work and all that. Before I came back, I started doing the hair again. So I was not having enough time for me to braid the hair. So as you can see in this video, I've already made the Bob Marley down. It's just for me to be start tying it, just as you are seeing in the video. Yes. So guys, if I say like how many hours I make this hair, let me just say like about 6 hours or 7 hours. If I say, let me calculate the hours I use in making this hair, you understand? It's just because when I was making the hair, I could not finish it because it was late already. So I decided to make it the next day. So that is why you see everywhere is so dark like this. Hope you guys understand. Please guys, let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section. Please, like I said before, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section. If this hair is giving, let me know. Let me know. Please guys, rate this hair in the comment section. Give me a rate of this hair. So guys, as you can see, I just finished removing the excess. I just trim it out and it's ready for hot water, guys. This is how I'm going to put the hair inside the hot water. You don't have to put the whole hair inside the hot water. No, just the down that you braid. Did you see that? Just the down of the tip, like the Bob Marley at the down. That is only the place that you are going to put it inside the hot water. You see me trying to arrange the particular place that the hair is. Like, I don't want the hot water to touch those bob, the braid that I did. I don't want the hot water to touch it. I just put the hot water at the tips, like the Bob Marley at the down. So this is me putting gel on my hair, guys. Are you guys ready to see this hair? Are you ready? Yeah, so the queen of beauty. This is me. I'm feeling my hair like this, like this, like this. I'm just feeling my hair. I am so sorry if I am hyping this video too much. Like, I'm feeling my hair, guys. This is so beautiful. Like this is so beautiful. Like, anywhere I go, where did you make your hair? Where did you make your hair? Where did you make your hair? Oh my god, like this hair is so beautiful. Like, you can style it like anyhow you want. Yes, you can style it. Please, guys, subscribe if you like what you are seeing. If you love what you are seeing here in this channel, please, guys, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section.